Solving exponential equations using the same base. So remember, an exponential equation is an equation where the variable occurs as part of the exponent. So for example, 3 to the x equals 9, 5 equals 2 to the x squared plus 1. Those are both exponential equations. And then we'll use the property that we saw when evaluating logs, that if a to the x equals a to the k, then x must equal k. In other words, if the bases are the same, we can set the exponents equal. So for example, 4 to the x equals 64. First, we're going to see if we can write both sides as powers of the same base. I already have 4 to the x on the left. Can I write 64 as a power of 4? Yes. 4 to the x equals 4 cubed, because 64 is equal to 4 to the third power. Set the exponents equal and solve. So the bases are the same, they're both 4, so set x equal to 3, and this one is already solved, so our answer is x equals 3. Let's look at another example. 2 to the x minus 3 equals 1 over 32. Okay, let's write both sides as powers of the same base. We can write both sides as powers of 2. So the left side is already 2 to the x minus 3, and the right side is going to be 2 to the negative 5, because 2 to the 5th is 32, and then the negative exponent has us flip it to the denominator. So we have 2 to the x minus 3 equals 2 to the negative 5. Bases are the same, set the exponents equal. X minus 3 equals negative 5, and let's solve. X equals negative 2. Finally, 9 to the x equals 27 to the 2 minus 2x power. Okay, again, we want to write both sides as powers of the same base. But I can't write 27 as a power of 9. But I can write both 9 and 27 as powers of 3. 9 is 3 squared, so 3 squared to the x power. And 27 is 3 cubed, so the right side is 3 cubed to the 2 minus 2x power. Now remember, power to a power, we will multiply our exponents. So 3 to the 2x equals 3 to the 6 minus 6x power. We distributed the 3 to both the 2 and the minus 2x. Now the bases are the same, set the exponents equal. 2x equals 6 minus 6x, or 8x equals 6. X equals 6/8, which reduces to 3/4. So for our third equation, x equals 3/4.